Okay, I got my RadCam. Look at this thing. Isn't this cute? Looks like a little doggy dog. Ain't that great? I love the way this thing looks. Anyway, it comes with a bunch of connectors. This one here is the power. So I ran a power cord, so I'm going to plug the transformer in there. And I'm going to mount it right above Jesus there, because that gives a good view of, the entrance here. So I'm going to mount it up there. Now, the first thing you got to do is, let me sit down here. They send you a PDF and they give you a link, okay? And that's to download the app. So what I do is I have Telegram on my phone and on my desktop, so it's an easy way to transfer links. So I read the PDF from the email and copied it in here. So now I'm going to go there, go to this link here that they sent me. There it is. Download the RadCam app. So I got Android, so I want to push Android and download for Android. Okay, I'm ready to plug this in. Ain't this thing cute? I love this thing. I like that it looks like a little doggy dog. Okay, so there's an app you have to install on your phone. So there's the power plug. Let's see if this thing is live. Board. Let's try that. See if there's any indications of power. There's my doggy dog. There's kitty cat. Hi, kitty cat. It's actually Catherine the Great of Russia. She has a blue eye. You see that? She got a blue eye. And this is Inca. She's a pest. Very important about troubleshooting is don't make assumptions. Start at the beginning. Like I could have assumed this wasn't working or the transformer wasn't working, But now we know we have juice. Is there any indication of power though? They should put a little LED or something. Well, maybe not. I don't know. People want to be stealthy, but you could always cover it with black tape. There should be like a little LED here to verify that there is juice. Alright, let's go to the app. Okay, I'm at the point where I can add camera.
Thank you for choosing RadCam. RadCam initialized.
I guess it works. Da-da-da-da. Alright, add camera. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Scan the QR code on the camera. I imagine that's this. Next. Allow RadCam to take pictures and record video. No. No, yes. Allow. Alright, so now we're going to scan this code. Device's location. Allow. Congratulations on configuring your first RadCam. We'd like to show where you can configure different. Next. You will find the menu button at the top right corner of the camera window. Really? Camera window. Is that here? What is the camera window? Maybe the camera window means on this. Tap for camera menu. Oh. Okay, so next. Camera mode. Next. Choose a profile. Quiet mode. Hard to see this. Security. Choose a mode. Security or quiet. I want security. Next. Choose the mode. Oh, I guess that's on the settings thing. 6. Choose the mode. Done. Camera's having problems connecting to Wi-Fi. Well, that's because um, I have special Wi-Fi here to where it won't allow anything to connect without a MAC code. So, and I have passwords and all that other good stuff. So I'm going to shut this down and do some more reading to figure out how to set up the Wi-Fi. Alright, so that's it for now. Okay, it's time to mount the little RadCam doggy dog. I'm going to mount it right above Jesus here. So let's put in a screw, square drive, and get my drill. Find a square drive. I love square drive, you know. Beautiful. Let's mount the other one. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They've got a great little ball here so you can adjust it. You don't have to mess around with, you know, screws or any of that other stuff like you do on other cameras. Let's put this screw in. We got a taller ladder. There we go. That's solid. And then we'll set it up. Put the ears up so it looks like a doggy dog. Alright. Take this off. Yeah, I had to wait for a MAC code so it could, you know, connect it to. Isn't that cool? Looks like a little doggy dog. I gotta cut this branch. Anyway, hi Jesus, how you doing? Bless me, for I have sinned. Yeah, this is great. I love the way that this, you know, sets up. And then we're gonna plug it in. Look at all these different connectors you get. Okay, so here's our transformer. And here's that power cord that I had a hell of a time with. Let's see if, let's put it through here. Let it come out there. Plug it in. This way, I guess. And then plug in the camera. Right there. Alright, I don't know if I got power or not. We're going to find out. Let's feed it through here.
Thank you for choosing RadCam.
There it is.
RadCam initialized.
Initialize, baby. Quack, quack, quack. Then, you get your app. You have to download the app. See, I already downloaded the app. RadCam right here. Alright, so it's been pretty simple once I got everything set up. On this one, you have to add camera and what we got here. Configure Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi network. Now, I don't know, it should save this. I don't know why it doesn't. Grossland. Crap. See, it doesn't save the password. Well, I'm on beta test, okay? So I gotta go inside and put in the password, and then you push the sound wave pairing button. I don't know why it doesn't save it, because I put it in before. I tested everything out in my bedroom. So let me go inside and find the password. It's kind of, let's see, let me see if I can figure out what it is. I think it's P, Z. Oh, I guess it connected. Look at that. I got a picture, so it worked. So it did save the password. Now let's change the... Ooh, I gotta cut these branches. Let me cut these branches. Oh yeah, you can turn it like that. Look at that. I gotta point it a little bit that way, I think. Okay, cool. Alright, point it that way a little bit. I don't know how much room I got on that. I may... Oh, look at that. It sensed me. It's flashing. Let me move it over a little bit. And, I think this is more designed for a porch or an entryway. But I want it to be pointed a little bit that way. And I think there's a limit. So, we're going to have to do that. Move the ears down. That's pretty solid. I think this is solid. Yeah. Okay, so now put our rabbit ears up. I mean our doggy dog ears. There we go. And cut those branches. Alright, let's see what we're looking at now. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it's working good. There's a picture of me. Gotta cut those branches, but it's looking good, guys. So, there we go. Alright, let me cut those branches and, well, it's set up. What can I say? There it is. Onward and upward. So people come in here, they'll get warned. Oh, I gotta change the mode to... I gotta change the mode from quiet. Oh, probably up here, settings. Rename. Camera mode, here we go. Camera mode. Concierge or security? Let's go security. Dun 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 dun. Alright, well, onward and upward. I'm gonna cut those branches and play around with this. Jesus, what happened to you? Here we go. Look at that, it warns you. It sees me. Okay, I'm leaving. That's cool, it warns you. Okay guys, onward and upward. It helps to have an optic cable because it does take up some bandwidth. People are trying to talk to me, what the hell? Okay, it's still setting up, it's still connecting to the Wi-Fi. Takes it a while sometimes, but once it's up, it's fine, you know. I guess I'll cut this out. It takes a few minutes for it to hook up. There it is, it connected to Wi-Fi, so now it's alive. And then it's gonna, I got it set on, you have to set it on security. Haha, you've entered the private property. Please leave immediately.
Excuse me, sir. I see you on camera. Please leave the premises within 20 seconds. Failure to comply will result in escalation.
Wow, cool, huh? She sees me. She can tell I'm a guy. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Don't hurt me. Let's see what happens if I stay here. Even if I go past it, she knows I'm still here. Because she didn't see me leave.
Sir, I've already asked you to leave. You are required to depart immediately. Your image and this conversation are being recorded.
Wow. Cool, huh? Alright, I'm leaving. I'll leave. Don't hurt me. There you go. That's how it works.
This is your final warning. You must leave immediately. Failure to comply will result in notification to the property owner and law enforcement. Your image and this conversation are being recorded and will be shared.
See that? Anyway, that's how it works, guys. It's pretty cool.
You have entered the private property. Please leave immediately.
So there you go. Alright, guys. Onward and upward, baby.